guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ray Johnson, and in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can get 1 million followers on Facebook in a matter of minutes. Yes, guys, 1 million Facebook followers. So you can attract more followers and boost your following on Facebook so you can interact with more persons. Okay, guys. So to do this, what we'll be doing is going to our Facebook profile. So I'm going to go to my Facebook profile firstly. So I'm going to get rid of this. Okay. So as you can see, currently I don't have any Facebook followers, but I'll be changing that in a matter of minutes. So what you need to do, guys, is go to your browser and you're going to type this word. It says Yaytext, so it's YAY, and you're on the word text, and you're gonna go ahead and search the first link that comes up. And when you're on the website, what you're going to do is type the amount of followers that you want on Facebook. So let's say I am gonna type 1.9 million. So let me go ahead and type that. Okay, and then you're gonna put the word people beside the 1.9 million. And then we're gonna scroll down to where it says Santex. Okay, so it's taken a bit of time to actually come up. Let me see here. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is Santex that you want, and you're gonna go ahead and click on where it says copy. Okay, so that's copied. So you're gonna go over back to Facebook and go back to your profile, and you're gonna click on where it says edit profile. Then you're gonna scroll down to where it says links, and it says add right here. So you can click on add. Okay, now you're gonna ensure that this section that shows whether your profile is public for friends or for your viewing only, you're gonna ensure that this is saying public. Then you're gonna click where it says add social link. You're gonna click on the drop down where it says Instagram, and you're gonna change that to Spotify. Then you're gonna click where it says account name to the left of, to the right of Spotify, and you're going to type the phrase followed by okay. Then you're gonna go ahead and press down in the same box where the cursor is to paste the phrase you had copied at Yaytext. Okay, and then you're gonna click on where it says save. And voila, guys, you're back to your profile and you're now followed by 1.9 million persons. So now that your friends see this, they will want to follow you. And the fact that your account is public, persons all around the world will be able to see your profile and follow you, because obviously there's something very interesting about your profile, because everyone from around the world is following you because you have now 1.9 million followers. And so this will help you to boost your following on Facebook and increase your engagement rate. So thank you for watching, guys. And if you like this content, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell. In that way, you'll be one of the first person to be notified as soon as I drop another video. Thank you. You take care. Bye-bye.